Want to create an AI talking avatar in just a few clicks? Here's how to do it in Adobe Firefly. Start by opening firefly.adobe.com. Then navigate to the video section. From there, select Text to Avatar and click Create New. First, choose the language and accent you want your avatar to speak in. Adobe Firefly supports a variety of languages and voices, making it easy to create content for different audiences. Next, select your avatar. You can choose from the available options or click Browse More to explore the full avatar library and find the character that best fits your project. Once you've selected your avatar, it's time to customize the background. You can choose a solid color background, select an image from Adobe's built-in library, upload your own image, or even use a video as your background to create a more dynamic scene. Now enter the script you want your avatar to say. This can be anything from a product introduction to a training video or social media content. Before generating, take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're ready, click Generate. Adobe Firefly will automatically create a talking avatar video based on your selected character, voice, background, and script. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a fully animated AI talking avatar using Adobe Firefly.